Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me and I'm going to be organizing my makeup bin. So I have this makeup bin here full of odds and sods. So it's about due time that I organize it. If you like this kind of organization video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle content. And let's get to today's video. So I'm just going to start by organizing this. This is actually a pouch that I took with me on my recent travels. So in here, I just have like travel sized items and then I would like to keep it that way. So I'm going to keep all my travel size items tucked away in here, and things like this makeup, this foundation, I'm just going to put this into another container. So I mean, this can stay in here because it's travel size. And then this I'm going to put into a separate pouch. So this, again, travel size items, because it's nice to keep travel size items for when I decide to go on a trip again. So that's pretty much organized now and there. It's just got my travel essentials. I think busy is appropriate considering it's a travel bag. Okay, so pouch number one is complete. So I'm not sure why this shower cap is in there, but we're just going to put this in a drawer. And this as well, this I'm just going to put in a drawer. This is actually a body spray by Pacifica called Island Vanilla. It smells so good. It kind of smells like a beach vacay, so highly recommend this one. Okay, so in here, I want to keep all of my SPFs, and it's looking pretty dirty, so I'm just gonna clean it out, and then I'm gonna clean this. So firstly, I'm gonna keep this out. This is actually a bronzer that I wear on the regular, so I'm gonna put this in my main makeup pouch. I'm gonna show that to you in a second. So here we have SPF. Anyway, I'm just going to empty this out, give this a clean, and then restock it with all of my SPFs. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned this. So now I'm just going to restock it with all of my favorite SPFs that I like to use on the regular. So I'm just going to go through and restock. So you can see this is one of my favorites that I like to use when I go on any beach vacay. And we'll put this one in there too. I have quite the collection of SPF. All right, so that's actually done now. So this is going to go back into my drawer. There is a nail polish in here, so I'm just going to keep this separate. This is actually what I have on my toes right now. I really like it. It's actually OPI, and it's their eco-friendly version. So one of my favorites. Okay, so next I'm just going to move all of my foundations into a pouch. So I have quite a few. As you can see, I'm a huge fan of the CoverGirl Clean Fresh. So I think what I'm gonna do, well, I have this pouch here of just random makeup. So I think I'm just gonna put all the makeup I don't use on the regular in this pouch, and then keep this pouch for makeup that I do use on the regular, because this one is a little bit smaller than this pouch. So I'm just gonna empty this one out. Okay, so this one here, I don't really use on the regular. Neither do I use this one. This one is a little bit too light for me for right now, considering it's summer. This eyeshadow I don't really use that much, along with this eye color refill, so we'll put that in there. Let's see. This one, I do like it. I don't really use it that much. Burt's Bees. This is more of like a fall Christmassy color. This again is more for fall, winter. Lipstick, I really don't wear lipstick that much at all. Something about lipstick tends to irritate my throat, like when I swallow it, so don't really wear it too much. I don't really wear eyeshadow that much either, unless it's like a special occasion. Don't really wear eyeliner that much as well. And yeah, I think actually this one here, this one is in the color light. So again, this one is better for like fall, winter. So that's gonna go in there. This is just floss. I don't know why that's in there. Probably left over from the dentist. And considering it is summer, I'm using bronzer more often, so this blush here can just go in there, and I think that's pretty much good. So I'm just gonna zip that up. Fun fact, this pouch is actually from India. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, so now I'm just gonna pop this in my drawer. And I have here all of my makeup brushes that I'm using at the moment. These are already organized. I always keep them organized because I don't want them lying around in a drawer getting dirty. It's kind of gross. So I'm just going to keep them in here and just pop this back into my drawer. So last but not least, I am going to organize this little pouch here. So this is going to be all of my main essentials. Look at how cute this pouch is. I actually got this from the dollar store. Fun fact, I'm a huge fan of strawberries. They are a seasonal fruit right now. So first things first, this is my favorite CoverGirl Nourishing Skin Tint in Medium Tan. So that's going to go in here. I use that on the regular. I also use this bronzer here on the regular by Annabelle. I use this mascara here on the regular. We're going to put that in there. I also use this bronzer on the regular. This pouch might be a little small actually for all of my essentials. Okay, this concealer I use on the regular. And oh, fun fact, with this concealer at Sephora, it's by Kosas, and it is very expensive for the full size. But just a tip to save you some money at Sephora. So I'm just going to fix my sleeve here. There we go. Just a tip to save you some money. I just buy the travel size, and this has lasted me, like I use it every day, and it's lasted me like 3 months now, and there's still a ton left in there. So if you want to save money on a high quality concealer, just buy the travel size. Honestly, it lasts just as long, because I find with the full size concealers, they dry out anyway before you get a chance to finish it. So might as well just get the travel size. So this little clip here, I like to use sometimes. In fact, maybe I'll put it in right now. Wonder if it would match. Yeah, I think that looks good actually with my top. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So I think that's gonna have to be it for this pouch, because that's all it can fit. So this other foundation, I'm just gonna pop it in here because it's not gonna fit in my other container. So we'll just do that. And hopefully that'll fit. We'll see. Okay, that's not gonna fit. I think I'm gonna grab another pouch actually. I'll be right back. Okay, so I found another pouch. Look at how pretty this one is too. I have so many cute pouches. It kind of matches my top a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put all of my foundations in here. Just the ones that I'm not using on the regular. And yeah, I think that actually fits perfectly in there. That way I just know exactly what pouch to go to. And then this one will be like all my blushers and concealers that I'm not using. So there we go, all conveniently stored in little pouches. So that there concludes my video. Organize my makeup drawer with me. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle content, as well as organization content. And I'll see you in the next video. And make sure to click the bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a future video. Have an amazing day. I love you guys very much.